Make money online not a dream, it may become a real from $100 a day to $500 a day. Just keep watching to the end of this video to see all online freelancing websites which give you real opportunity to make real money online for each person. Subscribe right now to send you notifications once to make new video on how to earn more money online. 10 ways to work online and earn money from home. How to get paid while online and make real money. Amazon Mechanical Turk, or shortly MTurk. Amazon Mechanical Turk MTurk is a crowdsourcing online marketplace with millions of users worldwide. This service may be the best in this field. MTurk is a service of Amazon. Like almost all the microjobs site, there are many tasks to do online, known as HITs, human intelligence tasks, such as writing articles, categorize questions, image tagging or choosing best among many pictures, and so on. Pros and cons. Pros: transfer earnings to bank account, or redeem for Amazon gift cards. This service supported by well-known Amazon. Cons: pay can be extremely low. Special qualifications needed for some higher-paying assignments. Some hits are very boring. ClickWorker. ClickWorker is in the business since 2005, and more than 830,111 workers from all over the world are working with them. Their website got everything that make them legit. They welcome every worker who is interested in writing, translation, research, collecting data, etc. As a ClickWorker, you work independently. You set your own working hour and you get to choose the assignment you are interested in. The simple tasks such as categorization and picture classification doesn't require any formal qualifications, so everyone can complete such tasks, but for other tasks that really need special skills, you have to prove your qualification by taking assessments. Pros and cons. Pros: variety of ways to make money. Payments are guaranteed and convenient. No restricted countries or regions. Microjobs, less time to do, more jobs to do. Cons: limited jobs, so high competition. Take long time to review done jobs. Crowdsource, OneSpace. Crowdsource is a legit microjobs website. They also post their tasks on the popular MTurk. Means what you can do through crowdsource can also be done through MTurk. You can do small tasks like image tagging, categorization, transcription, survey, writing, etc., which don't take much time and skills. The best thing about crowdsource is that there is no withdrawal limit. There are many qualification tests like quality assurance specialists, junior copywriter, senior copywriters. More the tests you successfully complete, the more the works become available to you. Crowdsource is working across 180 countries. Pros and cons. Pros: crowdsource, it has a great working interface. Many jobs to do. Cons: a lot of workers. Fiverr. Fiverr is a freelancer service that allows anyone to post their works for interested people to hire them. Fiverr is a great platform for freelancers to showcase their work. However, for someone just starting, it's hard. It can take days, weeks, or even months to get jobs. Pros and cons. Pros: you will work on a variety of projects. Website is easy to navigate. Cons: Fiverr takes a 20% cut out of each transaction. Long and somewhat annoying payment process. No contact outside of Fiverr. Micro workers. Without hesitation, everyone can join the micro workers. The worst aspect of micro workers is their PIN address authentication scheme. It could take weeks or months to get a PIN, but once you have it, it's very easy to make money from this site. Micro Workers is a creative crowdsourcing network that links both employers and freelancers globally. They deliver innovative solutions to corporations and enterprises that need to outsource their jobs and projects. Solutions can provide proactive ways to break down large tasks to be allocated to freelancers, reduce the time to complete the project, and collect results on the target date. This platform specializes in deploying microjobs for freelancers such as data collection and analysis, data refinement and/or extraction, annotation, categorization, image or video tagging, translation and transcription, product testing, research and survey jobs, and more. Pros and cons. Pros: is global and free to join. Multiple options to withdraw funds. Quick, easy tasks. Has a referral program. Cons. First, withdrawal PIN code sent by snail mail. Possible issues with temporary success rating. Complaints about withdrawals, account suspension, and customer service. Pico Workers. Pico Workers' newly launched site is creating a lot of buzz these days. It's new but paying to work is regularly and has the potential to become a good alternative to many available services. The concept is the same: employers there to post tasks and workers to complete those tasks. Following instructions properly and submitting correct task completion proof makes you money. The interface of Pico Workers is very similar to the Micro Workers. On sign up, you get $2, which gives you a chance to become an employer. But it's not withdrawal amount only to hire freelancers. They usually take 10 days to process the withdrawal requests. Pros and cons. Pros: easy to operate and use interface. They're paying $2 bonus just for sign up various withdrawal options for workers. No need to complete any tests, assessments to get the first job. Low withdrawal threshold and fee. Cons: lack of jobs. Success rate might affect earning. New service and not reliable yet. Self-validating process requires a photo and valid ID to be uploaded. Employers are few. Rapid Workers. Rapid Workers is a service of Annex Scripts, Inc. Their website is pretty similar to Micro Workers and has almost the same features and working interface, yet lacks some essential feature. The worker will get 10 cents if he completes the task in a satisfactory manner. The task will take 3 minutes or less to be completed. The withdrawal rate is very low here. You can place a withdrawal request if your balance is over $4 plus 6% fees. It takes less than 7 days to process a withdrawal request. Payment methods: PayPal and Payzer. Pros and cons. Pros: Rapid Workers lets you in for free. Payments are fast and easy. Low cash out limit, $8 plus 6% fees. Easy to sign up. Cons: not good enough for international users. There are lots of bogus and untrustworthy tasks. Low earning potential. The site looks cheap. Many suspected tasks. Remote tasks. With a lot of prestigious clients like Uber, Google, Gusto, etc. Remote Tasks offers various tasks primarily related to image annotation, content moderation, cuboids, image tagging, etc. Remote Tasks is undoubtedly a highly reliable alternative to Micro Workers. If we talk about payments, Remote Tasks makes payment every Friday and there are no minimum payout requirements. Whatever you earn throughout the week will be sent to your PayPal account on Friday morning. Pros and cons. Pros: Remote Tasks is highly professional. No minimum withdrawal limits. Weekly payment via PayPal. High payout per task. $10 bonus if you hit a milestone of $10 within 2 weeks from joining date. Cons: tough exams need to be passed before. They take accuracy very seriously. Your account can be suspended. Spare5. Employees provide data to Spare5. Spare5 then converts the data into tasks and serves to workers. Workers complete their tasks and earn money as a reward for their time. Workers may get few cents to few dollars depending upon the difficulty of the task they're attempting. It's like making money while shaping the future of artificial intelligence. Payments are processed every Friday. Pros and cons. Pros: you make money for small tasks. They have a referral program, actual cash payout instead of gift cards. Cons: few tasks. They mostly qualify people in the to-do tasks. Upwork, former Ellence-Odesk. Two leading pioneer in the world of crowdsourcing, Ellence and Odesk, were merged to form Ellence-Odesk, and later in 2015 Ellence-Odesk was relaunched as Upwork. It's a platform where businesses and professionals meet and collaborate. 9 million users are registered with this site and 4 million clients post 3 million jobs annually. If you got a skill like designing, web and mobile developing, writing and marketing, etc., you can join Upwork and can earn huge money. Payment methods: Payoneer, PayPal, Skrill, direct deposit, Arc and wire transfer USD. Minimum withdrawal amount different for different modes of payment. Pros and cons. A well-known platform. If you are pro and invite someone, then there is 0% fee. Cons: high fee up to 20%, a lot of competition. You have to buy bids to send proposals. Conclusions. Freelancing gives an opportunity for many people to get work. The important thing is to start with a legitimate platform to make money by doing tasks. This platform is good for a newbie who is looking to make some extra money online. The best way to refine your skills in a specified domain and become professional and earn good money. If you don't have any other good resources for online money making like your own blog, then we will recommend the small task freelancing. Some site provides the ability to earn money without any skills, otherwise high-paid jobs to require special skills. Nothing impossible, just start now. All data was taken from official services websites. This data may be changed at any time. We do not make any adverts for any of them.